How to change iPhone or iPad app icon size. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change iPhone or iPad app icon size. Now let's get right into the tutorial. To change your iPhone app icon size, launch the settings application and scroll down and tap on the display and brightness option. Under the Display tab, you will see the option for Display Zoom. Tap on that. You will see two options here. Go ahead and select the larger text option and tap on Done. You will then receive a confirmation pop-up, so tap on Use Zoomed option. Your iPhone will take an auto restart now, and as you can see, the app size is now larger. Also, the text size will be larger too. If you want to get back to the default app size, then go back to the Display Zoom tab and further tap on the default option and then tap on Done. In the confirmation pop-up that appears, tap on the Use Standard option and your iPhone will take an auto restart again and your app size will be back to the default size. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.